G'day YouTube. At some point when you own a VE Commodore, you'll come across an ABS fault. I'll show you how to fix it. Okay, so for some reason the car doesn't come up with any type of code telling you what is causing this ABS fault. So the fault actually comes from the ABS sensor in the rear wheel. Usually it's caused by rain or some sort of stuff getting on the ABS sensor. So I'll show you how to swap it out and change it. Okay, so you'll need a 1/4 inch socket. You need to get that on there. Alright, and undo him. Then you slide him out. You probably have to unclip it first. So just get like a little screwdriver in there, unclip the thing. Oh, got it out. So that's the old one. You can see that's quite old, and so unplug him. So this is the new one I got off eBay for 25 bucks. Comes with 2 of them. And yeah, that's the old one there that was playing up. So let's put her in. Yeah, you want to make sure to do it up tight so it doesn't come loose. And then plug her in. And now you want to repeat this process for the other side on the rear. Easy. Okay, so now the other side is in. So now we'll go double check, see if the error's gone. Okay, so we'll turn the key in the ignition, put on accessories. Usually the fault will be gone by now. Yep, so the fault's gone. Just take it for a quick test drive and see if the error doesn't come back up. Then yeah, that's the easy fix.